Hi there, Sophie here. I was recently sent this smartwatch from Geraframe to try out, and I'm actually really excited about this one, as I've been meaning to get a smartwatch for some time now. This one comes with the charging cable, smartwatch and user guide. I actually really like the look of this one. It looks smart and I like the pink colour of the strap and the home screen. The strap is adjustable so you can make it bigger or smaller to whatever size works for you. So it feels really comfortable to wear and I think it looks really nice. Now to get started with the smartwatch, you simply switch it on using the button at the side and scan the QR code that comes up. You then just download the app GloryFit so you can link your watch and phone. You create your personal profile such as height, age and weight and then pair your devices. This smartwatch has everything you would expect from it, including the ability to make and receive calls once it is synchronized with your phone. It also has the ability to monitor your heart rate, oxygen, sleep and fitness, with many exercises being listed on the watch and being able to measure your steps, calories, distance and more. What I also like about this watch is that it can be used in wet weather, washing my hands or if I'm sweating when exercising, and I don't need to worry about the smartwatch getting wet. This watch has so many great features and I'm excited to use it more. I hope this video helps you and thank you for watching.